How to verify Telegram account. Friends, to verify Telegram account, first you have to go on Telegram app, my friends. Friends, it's an easy process, so don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, first you have to go on Telegram app. After going on Telegram app, my friends, you will find here Telegram channel, group, or bot, right? So friends, easily if you want, you can verify Telegram channel, group, or bot. So I want to verify a Telegram channel, so open that one. After that, I have to tap on the name at the top, then tap on subscribers, then tap on invite by link, and tap on share link. Make it copy, my friends, then go back from here. Then tap on search, my friends, and I have to write here verify bot. The first one, my friends, it has the page, right? Blue page. Just tap on here, and here is written start. Just tap on start, my friends. And has written, hi, I can help you verify an active official channel, bot, or public group. Please see the Telegram verification guidelines for more information. So, and has written, please send me a link like this. So I'll just copy a link, so I'll paste it here. After paste, just tap on send. Done, my friends, right? And after a few hours or few minutes, you will get a notifications, my friends, of verification. So friends, like this, if one, you can verify Telegram channel, group, or bot. Friends, to verify Telegram channel, group, or bot, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful, to please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.